students, today we will discuss about Maxwell's equations. These equations were developed by James Clerk Maxwell. Maxwell selected for law, worked on them, and he declared these equations are basis of electric and magnetic phenomena. In differential form, these equations can be written as first is del dot E is equal to rho upon epsilon naught, which is based on Gauss's law in electrostatics. Second is del dot B is equal to 0. This is differential form of Gauss's law in magnetism. Third is Faraday law minus del B by del T, which is based on Faraday's law. Fourth is del cross B is equal to mu naught J plus mu naught epsilon naught del E by del T, which is based on Ampere Maxwell law. Let us discuss the basic concept of these equations one by one. First law is Gauss's law. According to this law, total flux is equal to Q upon epsilon. This equation represents electric charge creates electric field. This equation represents electric charge creates electric field, and electric charge and electric field cannot exist without each other. Second law, Gauss law in magnetism. According to this law, the total magnetic flux through any closed surface is equal to 0. Here we consider closed surface. These are magnetic field lines which are entering, or these are magnetic field lines which are going out. Here we see that the number of magnetic field lines which are going out is equal to the number of magnetic field lines which are entering. So net magnetic field is equal to 0. So divergence of B is equal to 0. Third law is Faraday's law. According to this law, induced EMF is equal to negative rate of magnetic flux. The value of EMF is equal to line integral EDL is equal to d by dt phi b. The value of phi b is V multiplied by A. Here we see that rate of change of magnetic field creates electric field. This equation represents change in magnetic field creates electric field. This is the significance of this equation. Fourth is ampere Maxwell law. According to this law, line integral VDL is equal to mu naught IC plus ID. IC is conductor current and ID is displacement current. Mu naught IC plus the value of ID, displacement current, is epsilon naught del phi E upon del T. IC plus mu naught epsilon naught del by del T. The value of phi E is E multiplied by A. Here we see that changing electric field creates magnetic field. This equation represents changing electric field creates magnetic field. This is the significance of this equation. These four equations are known as Maxwell's equations. With the help of these equations, Maxwell predicts the existence of electromagnetic wave which travel with the speed of light. In next lecture, we will discuss about detailed derivation of Maxwell's equation.